Welcome guys, welcome to another video. As you read the title, we're gonna be doing cleaning the microwave. I made the microwave, just be clear. I let it get this dirty so I can show you how vinegar and water does the trick. I'm gonna put some vinegar in the water, small amount, not much, and then I'll put a little bit more. I place it in the microwave, and I'm gonna set it for 7 minutes. You can set it for less if you want. If you have a smaller microwave, you can set it for less. Okay guys, once it's finished, you let it sit for about a minute or so, and then I'm gonna clean the microwave using my fiber cloth to wipe down the microwave. What the vinegar does, it breaks up all the particles and let it be easier to clean. Guys, be very careful when you're taking out the container because it's very hot. Take this out. Oops. Also take this piece out also. See, I didn't have to do much work because the vinegar softens up the particles. And if you have some stubborn stain, guys, if the water is not too hot for you, I usually dip the cloth in the water and use it to break up the rest of the, see? Just like that, guys. And it takes the hard ones out. Just like that. Because the vinegar is in the water. So when you dip the cloth in the hot water, well, warm water, not hot for me, my water is just right actually. Clean the outside of the microwave with the same cloth. Then I take a dry cloth. You can use paper towel or any cloth of your liking. I'm using a fiber cloth, and I give it a good wipe down. Here you have it, guys. Okay guys, so I clean the insides stuff with the same warm water, vinegar, and some Dawn soap. And this is the result. Clean and nice. And there you go. There you have it, guys. How to clean the microwave with vinegar and water. Thanks for visiting my channel. See you soon.